This is an urgent alert for all Bitcoin holders and crypto traders alike. The Bitcoin price right now is facing bearish rejection after testing right above the 50K range. Is it possible that right now we're setting up for a dump way deeper down in this trend than many can even fathom? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. So right off the bat, let's just get this out of the way. We're going to discuss both the downside possibility and the upside possibility. As it stands right now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that on yesterday's stream, I pointed out that this is just looking like more sideways consolidation here. Yes, we are getting some serious chop inside this range, but quite honestly, folks, it's just a bunch of sideways horizontal consolidation. Very, very similar to what we saw up here. Yes, there was a ton of volatility as well, but on the overall, when you look at it from a 1 to 2 week perspective, the price action is just chopping around within the same price range, going absolutely nowhere. Let's get this crypto. So obviously we saw the price get rejected basically right where we would have expected that rejection to come in if there were going to be a rejection. And what I mean by that is that I've had this outlined here on this channel for months now, folks, that this range right here between 51 and 53K was the most significant area of confluence for us thus far. And what do you know? Bang, we rip up to it and get rejected. Right now, on the underbelly of this thing, we have to watch this level here at about 45K. This was our local support, okay? We have macro possible support down here in the green range between 43K and 39K, but in terms of micro local support, it's all here at about 45K. I mean, if you want to be a stickler, 45.5K. And the reality of the situation here is that this is just a ping pong range. The fact of the matter, though, is that this could wind up forming a massive, massive bear flag here, folks. And a bear flag of this magnitude, if it were to break down, I mean, of course, this is just a generalized, hypothetical, theoretical target. But if we were to see a break below that range, folks, this would give us a measured move target. All we've done here is clone the size of the flagpole on the way down over now to the potential breakdown point. This does give us a target all the way back down on my chart at roughly about 22,000. Let's get this crypto. This is interesting because this does line up with the theory here that we could possibly, if this is going to fall into a bear market, be poised for a retest down to our old prior 2017 all-time high, and then this multi-month consolidation range right here in 2020 before we absolutely ripped towards 65,000 for the first time. This is very interesting, right? And this would also coincide with this possible bearish head and shoulders pattern breaking down below the neckline. If you're not familiar, I've been showing this stream after stream. What you're looking for on a bearish head and shoulders pattern is that the right shoulder is formed a little bit lower than the left one, never above the left one, a little bit below. Then you're looking for a retest of the neckline, which here, let me point this out on this chart for you. The neckline for me, folks, let's draw it. Let's take our tool here. We'll draw a head and shoulders pattern. We're going to take it right from here to the top. And you could see that the bottom comes in there. And if hypothetically that is to be the top of the right shoulder there, this does give us a neckline right around this area here, about 43,000-ish. It's interesting. It's a very interesting range because you could also look at this objectively and say, hey, wait, couldn't we put the neckline all the way down here as well? I think that's valid. This range has a ton of confluence in it. So either you're going to draw it with an upward sloping line of support, the neckline just like this, which for me breaks at about 43,000, or you're going to draw it here with a more horizontal neckline like this, which does coincide with this green level of multi-month confluence. I mean, for me, this is the most important support for the Bitcoin macro trend right now. Leave me a comment down below. Do you like the horizontal support better or the diagonal support better on this potential bearish head and shoulders pattern? Let's get this crypto. Leave me a comment down below with which one you think is more valid. And of course, I almost forgot, how you get the measured move for a bearish head and shoulders pattern is you measure the size from the head, top of the head, to the bottom of the neckline. Folks, I mean, this is devastation at its finest here. This does put us back on my chart below 10,000 USD. Am I saying that it must happen? Absolutely not. There are no certainties or guarantees in trading. What I'm saying is, if we happen to see Bitcoin right now fail to get above this top shoulder peak, which could already be put in right now, and we drop below this green box of macro historical resistance here, folks, this to me would be an absolute warning shot fired. And if that warning shot is to fire, woo, ladies and gentlemen, put your seatbelt on and pull the parachute out, because it may in fact be time to get this crypto. If we drop below there, the floodgates may open. Of course, at that point, the next target would be 31 to 29,000, in my opinion. And of course, if that were to break, well, folks, the next logical target, in my opinion, is basically a retest of that old 2017 all-time high and this multi-month range of support slash resistance in 2020, which is right around 20,000 USD. Let's get this crypto. I know that this may not be what many moon boys want to hear. And I got you, moon boys. I've got your back. I'm about to show you the opposite side of this right now. Maybe we're going to find support here. And if so, what are we looking for to the upside? I'm not going to leave you hanging. I just wanted to get that out of the way first, because right now we are seeing a ton of panic inside this market, right? And a ton of brazen doom boys, actually. Brazen, saying, Kirby, it's definitely going to crash right now. I mean, at this point, I don't see much more than a sideways range of consolidation here. I just don't see anything more than that, okay? And I've been following these markets, living in these markets, eating, sleeping, breathing in these markets. And wolves do not let sheep distract them from their goals. Let me repeat that one more time. For the moon boys in the back, wolves do not let sheep distract them from their goals. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get into the possible bullish scenario now. But if you are enjoying thus far, leave a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Just give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for that. And if you're brand new, wow, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all right now so you do not miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. Welcome to the channel. Now, simply put here, folks, what we're looking for is for this support range to hold. Basically, the mid 45K range, that's the line in the sand. If we lose that, an absolute warning shot fired has gone off again. At that point, we're looking for a last hope support down there in the green box. But you want to see right now that Bitcoin can form a higher low here. You want this to switch into an upward sloping trajectory here, because if this winds up happening and we do see this turning into something like this, folks, this could be an ascending triangle pattern formation. All right, quite the opposite of a bearish descending triangle. Here's an example of a bearish descending triangle. Lower highs along the top, flat line of support along the bottom. And what happens? Trapdoor, whoopsies, we plunge deep down into the crypto abyss. Here's another one right here. Descending lower highs, flat line of support along the bottom. What happens? Trapdoor, whoopsies, a plunge deep down into the crypto abyss. So now, on a micro level, take it as a micro level, folks. This is nothing huge, but it's the opposite. that if we are to see ascending higher lows, the trap door can actually potentially be to the upside. And once you break through this resistance, what can happen here? Whoopsies! A rip up towards a new all-time high. Let's get this crypto. So right now, from a bullish perspective, that's what I'm looking for. I'm just going to keep it real simple here today, folks. Trend lines, what we're looking for in terms of trend structure, patterns, things like that. Because in a sideways horizontal consolidation like we are in right now, it becomes more of a wait and watch approach in terms of looking for trade setup ideas to potentially crush it and get this crypto. Right now, you best believe that the Don is sitting here salivating, awaiting for an opportunity to absolutely strike like a cobra out of the grass and potentially get this crypto when that opportunity does in fact arise. And ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be keeping you exclusively updated in absolute real time with all of my real-time trade setup ideas, real-time strategy ideas, real-time entry ideas, and real-time take profit ideas as the Don looks to potentially strike gold again exclusively for you in VIP. So if you're not already in VIP, today is truly the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss my next important real-time VIP trade setup idea and alert. Let's go. I think that the biggest mistake that many are probably going to make inside this range here is over trading. Many are probably going to get wicked out in both directions, right? Little Jimmy, Kirby, I'm long. Whoops, you got wrecked and stopped out, little Jimmy. Kirby, I'm short. It rips back up. Whoops, sorry, Jimmy, you got wrecked and liquidated again. So right now, folks, just be diligent here, right? Try and take your emotions out of it. Have a plan. If you fail to plan, then your plan is to fail. Let me say that one more time. If you fail to plan, then your plan is to fail. The Don does not plan to fail. In fact, the Don plans to succeed. You should all know this by now. This just seems like a range where many are going to continuously get caught like a deer in the headlights and take that trip to Wrecked City with Average Joe and James the water cooler. Don't let that be you here, okay? Just don't let that be you. Please don't take that trip to Wrecked City. You are better than that, and you deserve better than that. On that note, folks, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss my next important real-time trade setup idea and alert as I look to potentially crush this market and get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. And if you did enjoy here today, one last time for the YouTube algorithm, thumbs up would really help the channel, so give a thumbs up to the video. Thank you for that. And if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis show on YouTube, period. Hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you get the notification next time I upload. Welcome to the channel. And until next time, folks, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the link links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto may have an interest in securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.